Hey, I just want to let you know that the box plot chart is still missing in Apple Numbers. So if you've been searching for it in the last 20 minutes and you finally found this video, hoping I will explain to you where to click. Unfortunately, as you can see here on the list, it's not here. Alright, so what is the workaround? Workaround number one is to use a software that can do it very quickly for you, like Excel, and option number two is to use some kind of online generator. So that's what I'm going to do next. I can just copy my values here from my table. So I select all of that, Command C to copy, and then head to, for example, Desmos. It's a free online generator that will help you to create a chart that you need. So I simply paste it here in the row number 2, and then you will see a result here on the right side straight away. You can zoom in a bit, move around, and the fastest way will be to just press Command Shift number 4, snap a very quick screenshot of that, back to Numbers, and drag it in. And here is our image of the missing chart. Alright, so that's just one workaround. Unfortunately, is still missing here. So if you got a chance to use different software, you got Excel, do that. If not, use some online generator like I just did with Desmos. Alright, I hope this will be helpful, so stop searching for it, it's not here. See you in the next one.